News coming in right now. 29 Naxals have been killed in Chhattisgarh encounter, the biggest encounter in Chhattisgarh's Kanker. Naxal commander with 25 lakh bounty has been killed in this encounter. 3 of the Jawans were injured in the encounter and their condition is now said to be out of danger. The injured Jawans are being airlifted to higher centre for better treatment. Before the first phase of voting of Lok Sabha elections 2024 in Chhattisgarh, security personnel killed 29 Naxalites in an encounter in Kanker district on Tuesday. This is the biggest encounter so far in the state, in which many senior Naxal commanders were killed. This is the highest number of deaths of Naxalites in a single encounter in the history of the fight against leftist extremism in Chhattisgarh. So far this year, a total of 79 Naxals have been killed in separate encounters with security forces in Bastar region, the stronghold of Maoists.
कुल 29 माओवादी कैडर का डेड बॉडी रिकवर की गए थे और काफ़ी बड़ी मात्रा में AK-47, इंसास, SLR, 303 कार्बाइन एवं अन्य आर्म्स एम्युनिशन भी घटनास्थल से बरामद की गई। इस मुठभेड़ के दौरान हमारा 3 जवान घायल हो गए, उनमें से 2 का बुलेट इंजरी थे और 1 के सामान्य चोट थे। अभी तीनों की स्थिति आउट ऑफ डेंजर और क्रिटिकल नहीं बताया जा रहा है। उन्हें बेहतर इलाज के लिए हायर सेंटर के लिए रेफर की जा रही है और आसपास इलाके में भी लगातार रीइंफोर्समेंट पार्टी के माध्यम से इलाके की सर्चिंग की जा रही है। जैसा और डिटेल मिलेगी उसका विस्तार से जानकारी प्रत्यक्ष से जारी करेगा।
My colleague Sumi is joining us over the phone line from Chhattisgarh. Sumi, tell us about this encounter, a successful encounter for the security forces, but it clearly states and underlines that there could be still threats as far as the electoral process is concerned in Chhattisgarh.
Absolutely. This is happening 10 days before the Lok Sabha elections are to take place in Kanker. In fact, Kanker is going into the second phase of polling. And in fact, Bastar division, the entire Bastar division has been affected. And since the BJP ruling government has come to power, there has been an aggression that is being noticed in terms of countering the Naxal operation. So far, in just 4 months, from December 2023 to April 2024, there have been more than 50 Naxals who have been killed in the operation. And Naxal elimination has become one of the motto of the state-ruled government, because Amit Shah has given a clear go-ahead, and in fact he has instructed all the top officials to end Naxalism and to ensure the Naxalism would be ended in 3 years to come. Because Amit Shah had made a statement when he was in Korba during the recently concluded elections that BJP will make sure that the Naxalism, the age-old problem of Naxalism will be ended. And in fact, recently also Amit Shah reiterated his very statement and gave this entire motto a timeline as well. He said that within 3 years, if BJP comes back to power in the 2024 parliamentary elections, within 3 years, the end of Naxalism will be ensured. And in fact, this is going to be very historic, because how the BJP has been aggressively moving towards all these areas which could have been only accessed under conditions. In fact, this particular forest that has been accessed, the Chota Bhetia Thana, that forest in the Chota Bhetia Thana, was accessed for the first time in history. And this is the single-day largest death toll of Naxals ever in the history of Chhattisgarh, which is again a great achievement that adds to the feather of the state government.
Right. Sumi, thank you for joining us with all of those details. My colleague there tracking all those developments in Chhattisgarh very closely.